for Quick Bites with hy-vee dietitian Katie George, but I think this should be called Quick Art.
Quick art. And I have blown your mind already this morning.
Oh
like,
my goodness.
What the heck?
It's so pretty.
So today we are going to do a quick bite that definitely can be utilized with kids, or it can just be a, you know, you can make it for your daughter if you want to. Kids
festive.
can totally be in, but they don't have to be. So we're going to just make it fun today. So we are doing quick art, and I'm putting you to work.
Yeah.
Yes.
We'll see how this turns out.
So today we are making Santa pancakes, and Sarah was not even aware that they make pre-made pancakes.
You've changed my life.
So if you want the perfect circle pancake, you can buy them. Who knew? So I am going to get started on cutting the strawberries. Sarah, on the other hand, is getting started with some design.
I guess,
Yes.
yeah.
So onto the pancake, you are using Cool Whip. And Cool Whip essentially is just going to be our glue to hold everything on. So we're going to want to just kind of trace the pancake so that it looks like a beard and a hat, and we'll stick fruit on to make it.
And probably a little off the pancake too.
That's all right. You can go as far. How big of a beard do you want, right? All right, so I am, this is where you would get the children involved. I'm cutting the tops of the strawberries off. I'm flipping the strawberry upside down, and we're making thin little triangles for our hat. So
I'm glad I'm the child in this situation.
Exactly.
I'm ready.
Are you ready? Okay, I'm ready to roll.
I think.
Okay,
Well,
so I'm going to re-show you. I'm going to put this over here.
Yes, give me
so you
some
can have a little bit
inspiration.
of a demo. So obviously we're using the red for the hat. So I'm going to have you, I'm going to put this on my plate, and you can start grabbing
Sounds
them.
good.
And look at the inspiration right there. So for the hat, we're doing those cut strawberries, and you're going to want to thinly slice them so it looks like Santa's hat. While Sarah is working on Santa's hat, I'm going to get started on Santa's beard, which is essentially bananas. And this is where quick bites, but also healthy bites. Hello. We're 100% going to serve this for a breakfast in a near future, right? Yeah. So we're just going to thinly slice our bananas up, and again, as little or as much as you want. So I've got my bananas sliced. You're still working on it.
Okay. I think I got my hat.
Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. So far so good. The beard is going to be utilizing bananas, and so again, looking at our fantastic example, we're just going to design our beard, and then finally we're just going to put a couple eyes on. You can use blueberries if you so choose to use chocolate chips. You can absolutely do that. But this makes a great pre-holiday breakfast. This would be something that would be very fun to serve like on Christmas Eve or something like that. I'll give you a couple blueberries.
A fun tradition.
Yes, but it does not have to be hard. The pre-made pancakes, obviously, if you don't want pre-made pancakes, don't use pre-made pancakes, but it's just a great way to add a little bit more fruit to your family's breakfast. Get the kids involved. I think that looks about as amazing as it comes, and you have a Santa pancake right there. So
I need you as my hype woman in my life.
Like, I can do this. I totally got this. But it's about as quick as it comes, and just festive. Kids will love it. I did this at a kids cooking class. It's probably been 6 years ago, and I have a couple girls who still like, I remember when we made Santa pancakes, and I'm like, geez, impactful apparently.
Exactly, and healthy.
And healthy and fun.
Yeah.
So quick bites, there you have it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. We'll be right back.